You just tucked in. You just tucked in. Like that, I'm being chill. I like to be chill. It's like, yo, just give me a pat, yo. This is Cage, he's a big baby. You gonna fall asleep, bro? You look like a guy that's gonna fall asleep. Like, I could fall asleep, though, dude. Let me tell you. You gonna knock it out? This is so adorable. Come out though. I'm out. You just never want to get any bigger. I'm gonna get huge though. Just never get bigger. I don't wanna grow up. Babies like that. Then we died. This is us dead. This is what we look like dead. We died, man. We're both dead. Okay.